Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make chlorophyll drink at home. First, select your greens. Spinach, parsley, or kale work wonderfully. You'll need about 2 cups of packed greens for a single serving. Make sure your produce is thoroughly washed to remove any dirt or pesticides. Having a powerful blender will make this process much smoother and ensure a fine consistency for your drink. Now let's get blending. Place your 2 cups of washed greens into your blender. Add about 1 cup of filtered water. For a smoother texture, you might add a little more water if needed. Blend on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture is completely smooth and there are no large pieces remaining. A powerful blender is key here for optimal extraction. After blending, it's time to strain. Pour your green mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth-lined colander into a bowl. Gently press down on the pulp to extract as much of the chlorophyll-rich liquid as possible. This step separates the fibrous material from your smooth, vibrant green drink. You can discard the pulp or use it in compost. For best results, consume your homemade chlorophyll drink immediately to enjoy its freshest taste and nutrients. If you have any left over, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Adding a squeeze of fresh lemon juice can enhance the flavor and help preserve it slightly. Feel free to experiment with various greens like kale or wheatgrass for different nutrient profiles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.